Is your name in here? Is it? You got a chance to win this. How do I win this Jeep, Steve? Well, you go to the newstevehenryshow.com. That's the new stevehenryshow.com. You subscribe, you hit the bell, you register, you put your email contact in there. We send you a check, we send you a Jeep. We got a lot of things going. Check out this Jeep. Coming this week, we have Seasons Change. That's right. We go from winter, as you see, winter dark, cold, snowy, no good. And we go to yeah, if you live anywhere in the Albuquerque area, you know what I'm talking about. We have nothing but dust. But we have the separation of the two. And of course, we can do something with food that way. Soup and maybe a sandwich. It just happens to so be the BLT. That's right. The BLT make of the month. It's the sandwich. We're going to do it a way that you won't believe. This presentation, what we're going to do with cream of mushroom soup, and that's the goodbye winter, and hello spring, that's the BLT brochette on a skewer rotisserie. Oh, it's going to be crazy. Emmy, thank you. Mwah, kisses. She sent me kisses, and we did get them today. We want to thank you. Every once in a while, somebody from the show sends something. It's pretty cool to get. We have a Jeep giveaway, as you know, May 7th. We pushed that back. We're waiting for an air conditioner, possibly 2 Jeeps I mentioned. We got spins, giveaways. Oh, did you notice that pregnancy test? What is that doing there? Well, did you know that conceptions are so prevalent in the month of November and December? It's a winter thing, yes! More birthdays are actually happening in September. So we try to comprise some winter stuff with some spring stuff. You see the hummingbirds on? It's just going to be a great show. We also have an education on mushrooms. If you like mushrooms and you like cream of mushroom soup, this will be the best cream of mushroom soup. We're going to do it the carnivorous way. That's right, that's with the prime rib bones. Vegan, well, you can do vegan too, but we're going to do it with the real meat, the prime rib. So you don't want to miss that 4 o'clock Wednesday, 4 o'clock live. It's here in Albuquerque Mountain Time, but it doesn't matter where here is because we are on YouTube and we want you there. Don't you dare be late.